Do you hate taking a shower? Do you wish microtransactions in games cost more money? Would you like to reduce your chances of getting a girlfriend to 0? Well, guess what? Because I have the game for you. League of Legends. It is RANJIT PLAYZ, and I'm going to show you how to install League of Legends. Okay, so the first step, go to your internet browser and type in League of Legends. Then you click on this top link. Okay, now you can see the big button that says Game. You want to not click on Game, but instead click on Play for Free. Now you can see you have to sign in with your Riot account. Press Sign In. Now, on this screen, you have to sign in. Okay guys, now as you can see, you've got two options on the screen. You can download for Windows, or you can download the Mac installer. We're going to click Download for Windows, and we're going to save it. The only reason it says Download Mac installer is if you're eating a Big Mac at the time of installation. Then you can press that button, but if not, always pick Windows. Okay, so now it's downloaded. Let's go and let's open it. Okay guys, so we're going to press Install 12.5 GB. Now we wait. Now guys, as you can see, Riot Client has opened, and as you all know, I really like Riot Client, so I'm going to press Cancel. Okay guys, so as you can see, Riot Client has opened up. So now, what you want to do is you want to press Install, and then you want to press Install. And there you have it guys, League of Legends is being installed. Once it's installed, you can open the game, and then you can regret your life choices. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.